Do you think automation is going to eat up your job? Well, if we think something negative, it magnifies. And there are people who have lost their jobs in this growing world of automation. But automation basically replaces more of repetitive jobs. However, if we learn to use automation to our advantage, if we leverage and understand how automation works and can make our job easier, that automation can become a boon for our job and we'll be able to work better at it. Personally, I believe that technology is there to support humans, not replace humans. So, develop your skills which are unique there. What are these unique skills which can distinguish you from an AI bot? They are fluency of ideas, active listening, coordination, and empathy. These can make you different from an AI because AI cannot emulate these skills which are uniquely human and will always will be. What do you think of this and which of the skills would you like to develop? Let me know in the comment box. Thank you.